Hello guys, welcome in Unified IT Solution. Today we are going to discuss how to install Splunk Enterprise on Linux machine. In last video I have showed like how we can install on Windows. So for Linux it's totally different. So we required the enough space under the OPT Splunk folder. So it should be around at least minimum should be 20 GB. So for that I have made make it a dedicated file system. Also the Splunk user should be exist on the Linux machine. So let's start. So I have already downloaded from here. So I have just downloaded the uh, RPM package instead of TGT or Debian file. So you can copy that link from here, or either you can click on the download link. I have already show complete video how to download the Splunk Universal Portal Enterprise. From here you can copy this link and you can paste. This link only work if you have the internet facing server. You can come here and paste it and put the enter, so it will start downloading. Before that, make sure you are in the right place where you want to download. So under opt I have already downloaded this package and it is in rpm. It's a rpm package, not dgd. So if you don't have the internet facing server, what you can do, you can download it manually. You can go back there, click on the download it will take you the downloaded page and you can copy it into the Linux machine. For that also already made the video how you can copy the package from your Windows machine to the Linux. Now I will just install it. For installing there is a rpm command, so rpm-i, then paste this package. And I before that I wanted to show you how it look like my dedicated file system. If I run the df-kh, so it's a opt Splunk dedicated file system, and I already created a user called Splunk and already given the permission on opt Splunk folder to this Splunk user. So let's run it -i and Splunk package name. So it will take few minutes guys. So guys, rpm has been installed and it is giving this notification that some warning, but it does not impact to your installation. Also it is giving some that is unable to create some touch file inside the var temp rpm temp, but it does not say, it does not impact your installation, and the last message is completed. So how would you make sure that your installation is done? You already there in Splunk folder, and under Splunk folder you will find all the configuration of the Splunk which is installed. So first time when it is installed, you see that permissions are the Splunk user. Either you can run it start with the Splunk user, or either you can start with the root. So let me start with root itself. Since I have root login, I will just go into the bin directory, then /splunk, and I will give the start. So it will ask for the agreement license agreement acceptance, and I will just give yes. Why? And it will ask for the admin username. You can give and name to the admin username, but in generally we are giving the admin. Then you can enter your password. It's a new password, you can give any password. How the installation is started, like remaining post installation work is or started, and it will take 2 to 3 minutes to do the configuration. So now it's starting the web services. So you can see that it has been installed properly, and it is saying that web interface is available, but we won't check to the web interface. You can check in your system, it should be visible, like you should be able to access. But I'm going to use this system for a different purpose, so I don't troubleshoot this if it's not working. But these are the steps that you can use to install this Splunk Enterprise over the Linux machine. And there are one more configuration. So in server.conf file, if you have to if you have to, it's not mandatory, but some, it's a recommended setting. You have to configure the minimum disk space is required to run Splunk properly. So it's in MB, so approximately 1 GB is required. Polling frequency is like 1 lakh, and polling frequency time like 10 seconds. So these are 3 to 4 uh, setting that you would be required in server.com file while you are using that into the Splunk enterprise on the Linux machine. So guys, this is how we install this Splunk on Linux machine, and please let us know if you have any comment, and please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.